Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Call of Duty theme on piano. We'll start by finding the main melody's opening notes. Place your right hand with your thumb on middle C. The first note is G, followed by F, then E flat. Practice these three notes slowly, ensuring a clear and even sound. This foundational phrase sets the tone for the entire piece, so getting it right is crucial for a strong start. Now, let's bring in your left hand to add depth. For the initial phrase, your left hand will play a low C octave, providing a powerful bass. Coordinate this with your right hand's melody, playing the C octave simultaneously with the right hand's G. Focus on a steady rhythm, counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and to keep both hands synchronized. This creates the iconic, driving feel of the theme. Next, we'll expand the right hand melody. After the initial G F E flat, the theme moves to D, then C, and back to E flat. Pay close attention to the E flat, as it's a crucial accidental that gives the theme its distinctive sound. Practice connecting these phrases smoothly, aiming for a legato feel where each note flows into the next. This builds the recognizable melodic contour of the Call of Duty theme. Finally, let's put all the sections together to play a complete phrase of the Call of Duty theme. Start slowly, using a metronome set to around 60 beats per minute, gradually increasing the tempo as you gain confidence. Pay attention to dynamics, playing the main melody a bit louder to emphasize its importance. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will help you master this iconic piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.